Hello friends, in this video we are going to add Facebook chat plugin. Means whenever we have a chat messenger in the some of the websites, so we are going to add that Facebook chat messenger in Magento 2. So how we are going to integrate it? Let's have a look on that. Okay. So I have just created one that field that is called Facebook ID. After that I have enabled the text login. What is the login text? Because we have the parameter over here like this: page id, theme color. So you can also add the logged in greeting or logout greeting. So let it rename to be logged in greeting and logout greeting. Okay, so this is logged in logout greeting and Facebook id or Facebook page id you can ask. And there is a theme color, so you can also add the theme color, but already I have already make a button for that. That is button color. We are going to use that button color instead of that. Okay, so let's this is the system.xml for manipulating it. Let's move the next part. We are going to add, that is, go to the code, Rishnikan WhatsApp, uh, view admin frontend templates. Let's create a new open terminal, touch messenger dot html. html. Okay, so we have created the messenger.html. So I'm going to open this messenger.html and add the Facebook plugin text. So I'm going to add this Facebook plugin text. Okay, and this is the attribute, like page attribute. You want to add attribution on everything. So in that case, we can make it dynamic. So we can going to add this part attribute, because these are the attributes we are getting from the Facebook login greeting, logout greeting, and these are the attributes. So if we go to the back, so here we can add the div class favorite fb page id, and close the div. So if we go to the messenger.html, so let's remove this attribution. For now, let's comment this in the script. And for the make it dynamic, this is customer Facebook, and I'm going to add this page attribution is setup tool, page id, theme color, button greeting, and here we are adding the or you can add the block. We will add this page attribute later on. First we can add this part. Okay, let's make it enable for now, whether the chart is working or not. So this is just let's add in the system.xml layout default.xml, where we need to add here, like add the block. You can add the block over this block for a body end. I'm going to add this block for body end. I'm going to add the WhatsApp block. Yeah, let it be WhatsApp design FB. The template should be reaching on WhatsApp.html, not Messenger.html. Messenger.html. Okay, so whatever we have in the messenger, it will recall this. So messenger.html, we have already added the script and all. So let's run this compile commands and check. So what is the first command over here? That is compile. Let's compile the code. This is done. Let's in Magento 2.4, 2.3.6 there is only 8, but here it is 9. See, done. Let's check in the admin panel. Stores configuration. Now we have the top text and bottom text for the footer. So let's enable this module. So let's add login message, logout, button text. This is for the shipping method. 20% off on all orders. Facebook page ID that we have already given. This is Facebook page ID. I'm going to add it. Next we have login message. Hey, how are you doing? Along message. Thanks for giving the feedback. Giving the feedback. Okay, button color. I will make it green. Okay, let's save it. Save this configuration save, go to the page cache, flush. So this is done. We have already done the commands. Let's check whether this is coming. Facebook chat plugin is coming or not. This is previous. Where is our Facebook chat? I have added on the, this is the WhatsApp where it is showing control U FB. Why it's not showing Facebook chat? Uh, Let me check the code is correct or not. HTML. No, the code is correct. Facebook root, Facebook chat, FB, customer page attribution. Okay, so maybe the issue because the code, because you need to add the code over here. Maybe that is localhost, it is not running because while creating the Facebook chat plugin, Let me check. Yeah, this is the chat plugin. We need to define the URL over here. So I think it is tag to website domain. If I add localhost, http/localhost, it working or not is under the valid domain. I think the localhost it is not appearing because here it is tag magento at the gmail. So maybe the issue because it's not working. But I have just already used this code. Let's check what is the code. Let's go and check. That's totally same. Thing changed, then why it's not showing? Maybe the issue is with the domain because it's local and it is live. You need to add this domain because localhost I think it's not supporting. So this is the one of the reason. Let's check whether it is coming or not. No, it's not coming. But it should come. It is connecting to the Facebook, I guess. Let's check whether it will appear or not. Because there is only one issue. If it is domain issue, then it will not because it is connecting. Waiting for the connect facebook.net. How much time it will take? Let me check. If it is blocking or what? It is blocking. A CSP module is blocking the Facebook chat. So we need to I guess bypass. Let me check whether it is if it is a CSP issue. Okay, so this is how we can add the code in the and after just adding the code over here, it will automatically generate it over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.